In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reduce your car insurance from a ridiculous amount to something way cheaper and very, very reasonable. No more paying excessive premiums. I will be sharing the inside hacks and tricks that can save you a ton. So if you are tired of being ripped, then keep watching. Hello everyone, my name is DivineAdebola and I am an immigrant in the United Kingdom, and I share my day-to-day experiences with the public, and I hope you guys will be able to learn one or two things from my experiences. So in relation to the previous video I made some time ago about my driving license, I've been getting tons of questions about the insurance, because I actually shared that my insurance was changed from £156 to £55. So I've been getting a lot of questions on how I'm able to go about getting my insurance reduced. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you the practical way of how you can actually get your insurance reduced. So we are going to be practicalizing with a random car online, and then we'll be going directly to the system to tweak the system and to do some changes, and then you would see how you can actually get your insurance reduced. So guys, let's start with the comparison. So in this particular video, I'm going to be doing the comparison with the same vehicle and same driver's name whatsoever. So then we will see the different prices we'll be getting. So let's, first of all, the very first thing we need to do is to clear our chat history. So go to your chat history, delete everything. Yeah, so, and then we'll be using confused.com. Yeah, confused.com is more like a website for comparing different insurance complaints. So get a car code, and then now we'll be asked for a car registration. So let's just go to Facebook Market and just look for any car at all. So I've got a car here. The car is SJ64XNP. Also, it is worthy to know that the kind of car you have determines the kind of insurance you pay. So if you have cars like Skoda, Ford, Vauxhall, Volkswagen, they have reduced insurance. But if you are doing insurance for BMW, Benz, Porsche, Jaguar, then you should be expecting a higher insurance. So they call them different categories. Some is category 1, category 5 or so. So I'll be sharing it in the screen, the different cars in all of these categories, so you know the kind of car to buy. This is the particular car we'll be working on today. So I'll be duplicating this tab. So we'll be having 3. So in this particular 3 tabs, we'll be tweaking all of the information using this same registration. So let's copy the registration, copy, put it here as well. Same thing here too. So now here is the information. So in this first one, does the car have any modification? No. Does the car has a dash cam? So if your car has a dash cam, you get a reduced insurance. If your car doesn't have a dash cam, you get higher insurance. So for this one, pick no, continue. For this second one, to pick no, continue. But this one, let's pick yes. So going back to the first one again, so when would you like the insurance to start? So if you want the insurance to start like now or tomorrow, it will be a little bit expensive. If you want the insurance to start like next week, it will be reduced to some extent. And if you want it to start about next month, it will be more reduced. So for this one, let's pick tomorrow. Comprehensive is more expensive than third party, fire and theft, and third party only. So let's click comprehensive here, and then let's click monthly for the 3 of them. So for the second one, let's tell it to start next week, April 30, and then let's click third party, fire and theft here, and then monthly as well. And then the last one, let's tell it to start next month, and then let's go for third party only. Third party only is the cheapest, and then monthly as well. So now we'll be asked the details of the driver. Let's say Mr. Adam Eve. Date of birth, let's say 12/12/1990. Single. Have you lived in the UK since birth? No. When did you enter UK? Let's say as an international, let's say you entered March 2025. No, 2024. Does the driver own or use another vehicle? Let's say no. Occupation, employed. What kind of occupation? Let's say support worker. the kind of work you do to affect, but for the sake of this video, let's just stick with support worker, NHS, all through. Does it have another occupation? No. So what kind of license? Now the license you have really matters a lot. So if you have an international license, click on international license, but just over the back of your mind that international license is more expensive than provisional license, and provisional license is more expensive than a full UK license. So the cheapest is always a full UK license anyway. I got the driver's license, let's say 10 years. Confirm details. Then now let's go to this one. So same thing, we'll put all the same information on Mr. Adam. Mr. Adam Eve. 12, 190. Single? No. 0 to 20, 25. Does never own or use another vehicle? No. Employed. Support work as well. Let's say NHS. No. Now we're supposed to be picking international license here too. So we are going to be doing that for all of them. So we are not tampering with this one because I mean your license is your license. So let's say 10 years. Confirm details. So we'll do the same thing here to Mr. Adam Eve 12 190. Single 03 2024. No. Employed. Support. NHS. Does it have another occupation? No. International license as usual. Then we'll click 10 years as well. Confirm details. So now we'll confirm ourselves. Would you like to know that? Definitely not. Now I'll be using my personal number and my personal email address. No, I don't want to use my email address because my email address has been used numerous times. So let me use one other email address that I have here. Studio.com. Postcode. Let me use my postcode. Let me say 70. Is Adam a house owner? No. Will the car be kept at home during the day? Now, so if your car is kept at home during the day, that means you are always driving the car at night. So night driving will warrant a higher insurance. So that means it is better you drive during the day than your car is being kept at home at night. So will your car be kept at home during the day? No. Where will it be kept? Let's say office car park. And will your car be kept at home during at night? Yes. Where will it be kept? Let's say you have a garage, and then how many cars will be there? Let's say 9. So let's stick with the same information throughout in all of this one. No. I mean, let's no claim bonus. As Adam held the car insurance in their name in the last 2 years, if you have held an insurance in your name, they will check your history if you are a good driver and all, and then they can give you a reduced price. But because I mean you're new to the UK, so just click new. As Adam will regularly be driving the car insured by somebody else, let's say no. And then if you've been driving the car that is insured by somebody else, you might get a reduced insurance because they will assume that you are familiar with the UK driving system. So continue. Do the same thing here. Add another driver, no. Phone number here. This good find address 70. No. We can't get up to no. Office car park. Yes. Garage 9. Same thing with the last one too. So now it's what has the car been bought yet? Say yes. When did you buy the car? Let's say this April 2025. Who was the car registered to? You. Who was the car? You. What will the car be used for? Social only. Now another criteria here. So total annual mileage you are expected to run on the car. So if you pick a lower mileage, that means you won't be driving the car often, so they will give you a reduced insurance. But if you give a high mileage, that means you'll be driving the car often, so there is high risk of you getting yourself involved in an accident. So let's say in this particular one I'll be picking 15,000. The next one I'll pick 10,000, and the next one I'll pick 5,000. So it will be like that. Then for motor accidents conviction, we'll pick no for everything. Unspent conviction, no. Medical condition, no. Time imposed, no. Click and click. Now this one, as the car be bought yes. When April 2025. Social only. Then for the mileage, let's pick. We pick 15,000 down. Let's pick 10,000 here. And in this last one, we'll be picking 5,000 for the mileage. Let's say 5,000. And all that things remains the same. So we'll be checking. So now we'll be checking the code right now. So click on. So it's already calculating the insurance for this one too. For this one where we pick 10,000 mileage, let's check for the insurance too. And then this last one too. So now it's already calculating everything. So for this one, we got 16 Admira. So we got 1699. I mean, this is the cheapest we got. 1699 2342 2525. So that is the lowest criteria that we picked. Now let's say the highest criteria that we picked. See the amount we are getting: 2000, 25, 27, 27. And this one we are getting around 17212226. So this one we have 17, here we have 16. So this is the cheapest. Here we have 17, here we have 2000 as the cheapest. So it's all based on all of the criteria you put. So if you notice very well, this one now, it's a comprehensive that we are telling to start immediately. This one is third party that we are telling to start next month. So can you say it's having a reduced price, while this one that is starting tomorrow is having a very higher price. So you can also tweak some other things here. So guys, this is just a little simulation of some of the things you can tweak to get a very reduced insurance price. And note that if you are going to be paying this insurance annually, if you're going to pay annually, you can pay 1699. But if you're going to be paying it monthly, it will be increased. Can you see it's been increased? So another way to also save money is to pay annually. So there are some companies who would allow you to pay monthly, and there are some who would allow you to pay annually. For example, Admiral would let you pay 1699 annually, but if you click monthly, Admiral is no longer available. So Admiral don't want you to pay monthly for this package. But another hack you can also do is this: after going to confused.com, you can actually save this particular tab. I mean, it will be sent to your email address. Then you can now go to Admiral's website, directly to their website, and put all of those information on their website instead of going to confused.com. There's high tendency that you can also get a reduced price if you go to their website directly. So these are all of the things you have to consider to get a reduced insurance. So let me go over it again. The very first thing you need to do is clear your chat history, get a dash cam. If you have a dash cam, you can get a reduced price. The kind of job you do affects, but there's nothing you can do about your job. Your job is your job. And then also try to start the insurance later instead of starting tomorrow or right now. You can start maybe next week or some other time. And also pick a reduced mileage for your total annual mileage. And also the type of car you buy too matters a lot. And then you can try to pay annually instead of paying monthly. So these are all of the things you can do to actually get a reduced insurance. So guys, I hope I've been able to answer your question as regards getting a cheaper insurance in the United Kingdom. So if you have any other tips that you can actually share with us, I mean, some other people have some other tips like, you can add a driver who has a full UK license into your insurance. I mean, a lot of people have been doing that. They add someone who is a very experienced driver, and then they'll be the second driver, and it really works. They get a very, very reduced insurance. So you can also do that too. So if you have any other tips that you can share with us, tell us in the comment section below. And guys, if this video really helped you, please kindly like the video so that the video can also get to numerous people on the outside, so that they can also be helped, and they can also be helped to save some money. And also, please, if you are new to my channel and you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I always share information that would be helpful as regards navigating life in the United Kingdom. Alright guys, I'll be stopping the video here. See you in another one. Bye.